What is a financial power of attorney, also known as a durable power of attorney? Hi, my name is Mike Rutkowski, estate planning, asset protection, and elder law attorney. Let's dive into why would someone even put in place a financial power of attorney? What does it do? What are the powers it has? Typically, during someone's lifetime, an individual might delegate decision-making authority to another person. To legally do this, we need to put in place a power of attorney document. The one we're talking about today is a financial power of attorney. This is for things like real estate transactions, so that someone else can do it for you if you can't act for yourself. There's a bunch of reasons why an individual might not be able to act for themselves. Things like they're incapacitated. Maybe they're just unavailable and you're executing a real estate power of attorney for a one-time transaction. All of these things can be very useful to have an agent act on your behalf. Most times in our world, we're talking about incapacity planning. And so what happens if you don't have a financial power of attorney? That's where someone has to go to the court and get appointed as your guardian to make these decisions. A financial or durable power of attorney is so much easier to use and administer because there's not that court oversight. The beautiful thing is, when you put in place your own financial power of attorney, you get control over who's going to make these decisions for me. What decisions do they have the authority to make? Is it everything? Banking, real estate, all things included? Or are we going to limit it to a certain amount of things? These are all things that need to be worked with your estate planning attorney. Also, you have the ability to name successors as well. You make decisions while you're alive and able to do so, and then maybe it's a spouse, and then maybe it's kids after that, but you get to name all these people. If you don't do this, if we have to go the guardianship route, the judge is going to do it for you, and he doesn't know your family, he doesn't know your family dynamics, and he doesn't have the time to investigate who might be that right person for you. So it's incredibly important to put these powers of attorney in place for yourself. One important thing to know is that a financial power of attorney only works during your lifetime. So once an individual passes away, maybe you are acting as someone else's financial power of attorney, or you've appointed someone, but after that individual, the person whose power of attorney it is, passes away, we can no longer use the power of attorney, can't go to banks and try to use it to gain access to the accounts. It no longer is valid. And now we're on to things like wills or trusts as to how do we administer the assets. So I hope that was helpful when it comes to a power of attorney. Again, Mike Rutkowski, estate planning and elder law attorney. Check out our website. Give us a call today to book a free discovery call.